I know, it's been a little quiet here for the past month, and that's because my plane's been down to the Avionics shop. But not for a fancy glass panel or anything crazy, just a simple upgrade to keep it legal and safe. I want to show you what I did and why you don't need to go glass to have a capable VFR panel. So here's what I actually did. That's it. No new glass displays, no full stack upgrade, just a clean, simple VFR setup that does exactly what I need it to do. Now don't get me wrong. I'd originally planned to get an audio panel, new radios, GI-275s, but I've decided I'd rather spend that money on gas instead of glass. Look, you can spend $50,000 to $100,000 putting a full glass cockpit in a 50-year-old airplane. And at the end of the day, it's still going to fly the same. Same performance, same airframe. You didn't make the plane better, you just made it more expensive. Meanwhile, I'm flying, I'm logging hours, and I'm learning. This setup is what I'd call the ultimate VFR panel. Simple, modern, and mission appropriate. Nothing more, nothing less. And yeah, I already know someone's going to ask, why don't you make it IFR capable? Because I never planned for this plane to be IFR. It's my VFR trainer, and it does that job perfectly. I didn't want to overbuild a panel for a mission this plane was never meant to fly. And if IFR is in the future, let's just say, I've been looking at something a little faster, something with retracts, but that's all I'll say for now. So if you're flying VFR like me, don't get caught up thinking you need a full glass panel. Spend that money on fuel instead and get in the air, because flight time is always more valuable than screen time.